It's been fixed now. The body lines are pretty good. They're not perfect, but I'm not a perfect body guy by all means. And my buddy Mason helped me on this one. And I'm telling you, this one was difficult. Trying to get everything lined up at the last minute, but anyway, it's looking real good. That pearl is popping in the sun. Oh my goodness. And I painted that fender right there, and that's almost a perfect match. So this fender right here, and I painted the bumper on the video itself, but in person I can surely tell. And we're trying not to overspend on this, and this might be a mistake, but that passenger headlight needs to be buffed out, and the fog light needs to be buffed out. They all work. We didn't want to spend another $300 or $400 on the passenger side. So being that it works, you know, we did have to replace the little transformer. But man, them wheels actually look pretty good. There's barely any curb rash on it. The tires look great. I went with that ceramic coating on the wheels. That actually is pretty cool. It sticks pretty good. Looks real shiny, and you can see a little residue on my fingers, but not much. I think you'd rinse those off once they get dusty, and they'll stay shiny. That's what they're saying. So I think it turned out pretty good. I'll show you the interior. Let's see, I need to wipe this thing down. I just cut the grass right after I washed it yesterday. That wasn't very bright. But I've already posted the pictures, and I can clean it again before somebody comes to look at it. I need to. Tinted windows. I love that. I'm asking $10,000 for this car. Just posted it today. Today is September 17th, 2022. That sunroof over there. Really nice interior. Not a tear in the seat or anything. A little creasing over there in the seat, the driver's seat, where people sliding in and out. We didn't have to shampoo it or anything. Just cleaned it up a little bit. But she rides good. That little 3.5 liter will go. Oh my goodness.